Since 2004, the Axiom 2 CMM has been providing manufacturing industry with a fast and accurate solution for their measurement problems. The Axiom 2 HS is both faster and more accurate than the standard model. The Axiom 2 HS incorporates drive rod technology. This allows even greater accelerations to be achieved, meaning that the HS model measures approximately 20% quicker than the standard variant, ideal for high volume measurement. The Axiom 2 HS also utilises 0.1 micron resolution scales on each axis. Incorporated with state-of-the-art error mapping techniques, this means that the HS model is the most accurate machine ever produced by Aberlink. The Axiom 2 HS CMM is supplied with the revolutionary Aberlink 3D measurement software, which sets the standard for easy-to-use software. Designed around a graphical interface, Aberlink 3D can work in 2D or 3D on manual or CNC CMMs and is equally at home when used with either touch, scanning or vision systems. Popular throughout the world and available in many languages, Aberlink's revolutionary measurement software provides the user with a powerful yet easy to use solution for inspection measurements